InVideo AI has the option to add music to the automatically generated video. In the InVideo AI 1.0 version, if you wanted to change the music, you had to ask the AI to do it for you, and it didn't always work well. In version 2.0, they added the option to edit the music in the video yourself. In this video, we will see how to use this feature and how to edit the music starting with a simple option. First, create a video with the AI. The video will include music. As before, you can ask the AI to change the music for you. Just type in the AI box under the video. It is very important to give it clear instructions like change the music to something more energetic or sad or whatever you like. If you have a few chapters in the video, you should specify to the AI which parts you want to change the music for. Otherwise, it might not change the right music. Before we get into music editing, it is important to point out that the video has chapters. Each chapter gets one music track. So if you want to add more tracks to the video, you need to divide that part into a few chapters so you can change the music between them. Let's see how to create different chapters. Click on the edit button under the video to open the edit option. There you have 3 tabs. Choose the edit script tab. Either if you have one chapter or you have more than one chapter, you should do the following. Find the chapter you want to split. Click on the 3 dots on the right side in the same line as the name of the chapter. Then click on duplicate. Next, delete the duplicate sentences from each part. So you have 2 chapters with different parts of the original chapter. Now you can add different music to each chapter. Go to the edit music tab. After you create a new chapter, this chapter will not have its own music. Instead, it will continue the music from the original chapter it was cut from. Click on the chapter you want to change the music for. Then, under this section, you have a list of music tracks. There are 2 types of music tracks. The first one is free from the YouTube library, so you are safe to use it as you wish. The other type is from Storyblock or other libraries. You can see the name of the library in the name of the song. After a conversation with support, you can use the premium music in your video even as a free user. If you use the music, you should contact support and give them your channel ID. You can find the ID number on your channel. If you have TubeBuddy free extension, you can go to your homepage and you will find it in the extension tab right before the videos. If you don't have the extension, you can get it from the description. It is free to use. Anyway, you can also find it in your YouTube studio. Get into your studio by clicking on the right side of the YouTube menu. Then go to the customization tab and then click on basic info. Now scroll down and you'll find the channel ID. Copy it. Go back to InVideo main website and open a new chat. After you start a conversation, ask to get contact with human. Then ask them in the chat to whitelist your channel so you won't get copyright claims. If you don't want to see any premium library music, you can click on the option to remove them. To search for music, put a keyword in the box. If you use only the free music from YouTube, you might not get the results you like because the YouTube library is limited compared to the premium libraries. To hear the music, there is a play button next to the song, and you also have the timeline of the music at the bottom of the edit screen. You can skip to the parts you like. If you want to start the music from a different point other than the beginning, you can change it, and I will show you how in a few seconds. If you like a piece of music, just make sure you are on the right chapter and then click replace and this music will be added to that chapter. Now let's see how to edit the music in the chapter. On each chapter music track, you have 3 dots and a play button. When you click on play, you can hear that specific music so you can decide if you want to change it. When you open these 3 dots, you have more options. First, if you want to loop the music. By default, it is marked as yes. This means that the music will loop throughout the chapter if it is longer than the music track. Next, you have the volume mixer, where you can decide how loud or soft you want the music to be. If you think it's too loud or quiet, you can change it there. Under that, you have the option to fade in and out, which is good for blending 2 music tracks together. Use 1 to 2 seconds if you want to fade in and out. This is enough. If you put more, you will have silent time in the video, unless you want to put longer silent period. The next option is if you want to start the music at a specific time, like starting from the chorus, for example. After that, you have the option to decide how long you want the music to play. If you choose a time shorter than the chapter, It will cut off before the end. When you finish, click on Apply Changes. Now go to the video to see if all the changes match your test and if you like them. I think it's a better way to change the music than it was before. If you want to know more about how to edit the script, click on this video next. Subscribe and like, and I will see you in the next video.